Welcome to your daily Bright Brainy Dose. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Bodyweight exercises have recently gained popularity in the fitness industry due to their simplicity and practicality in allowing you to get in shape using just your own body weight. For starters, planks are a type of bodyweight exercise that never gets old. This exercise is ideal for those who have a busy schedule and find it difficult to go to the gym due to time constraints. Doing a plank every day, even for a minute, helps strengthen your entire core. In fact, most fitness experts agree that planking is one of the most effective exercises for toning your six-pack. Keep an eye out to see what happens to you when you plank for 60 seconds every day. Number 1. It significantly reduces the risk of back and spinal column injury when exercising. Number 2. It defines your abs. Planks target every major core muscle. So by major core muscles, we mean all of your obliques and abdominals. Furthermore, as you get better and stronger at your planks, you'll get stronger when it comes to performing other exercises. For example, if you're a frequent gym goer, you'll notice a huge strength increase in several compound lifts like squats and deadlifts, which is good news for ladies as well, because planking also boosts gains in your booty. Planks are a compound exercise, which means they engage several muscles at the same time. What this means is that you'll be burning a lot more calories at the same time than it would take to perform other abdominal exercises like crunches or sit-ups. Additionally, building up your muscles leads to more calories being burned because the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolism will be. 4. It improves your overall balance. Have you tried standing on one leg but were unable to stand up straight or for more than a few seconds? If you trip even while entirely sober and feeling okay, it's because your abdominal muscles aren't strong enough to keep the balance you require. Planking for 1 minute every day improves your overall balance, which will ultimately improve your performance in whatever sporting activity you participate in. Number 5. It benefits you mentally. Did you know that plank exercises have an effect on our nerves, which makes them an excellent method of improving a person's overall mood? Planking stretches out muscle groups that influence stress and tension in the body. When you are sitting or standing all day long, your muscles get tight and tension forms in your shoulders, making you slump forward the entire day. Situations like these stress out the muscles and nerves through which you can calm your brain while helping you treat anxiety and even depression symptoms. Do you exercise with planks? Please let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that we may keep making them. Subscribe for more videos like this, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Also, make sure to check out our other videos. Thank you for watching.